Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix music not available in Instagram. So go for your first Play Store and search for Instagram and update your Instagram if it available here. So I have updated before. Then when you update your Instagram, then go for settings. Click on apps and notification, search for Instagram, go for Instagram and click on storage and cache, go for clear cache. Then go for, after that you can fix your Instagram music not available in Instagram problem. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.